Hey everyone, I'm Ciaran from Plum Deluxe, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Blackberry Mojito Cocktail using our Blackberry Mojito black tea. So the tea has black tea, spearmint, blackberries, lime. It's great just on its own, but it really makes a delicious cocktail as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a glass, and we're going to take about 4 or so fresh mint leaves. It doesn't really matter, just take about a bunch, about that much. You're going to pop them in your glass, and then you're going to take 4 or 5 blackberries. Now, because of the current times and having a hard time getting out to the store a lot, I couldn't get blackberries, but I have raspberries growing right behind me. So I got some fresh raspberries, so I'm going to use some of those instead. You can use whatever berries you'd like. I'm going to pop those in there. Then we're going to add in a wedge of lime. And then to sweeten it up, I like to use our honey dust. It dissolves really well in cold beverages, and it just tastes really good, adds a really nice flavor to the cocktail. So we are going to add about a teaspoon or so of that right on in there. And then we're going to take our muddler. And if you don't have a muddler, you can use a fork. Any kind of little blunt object will work. You just kind of mush those all around in there. Give them a good muddle. Okay, put that to the side. So now we're going to take our cocktail shaker full of ice. I've already filled mine up with ice. And we are going to, let's see, actually first of all we're gonna pop some tea into here, just to kind of mix it up a little bit. So I've already brewed up some of our Blackberry Mojito tea using our perfect tea maker, which you can find on our website. And we want, I'd say 2 to 3 ounces of strongly brewed tea. So if you think about that, it's like 2 to 3 shots worth. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. That's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna swish that around there, and now I'm gonna pour it into my cocktail shaker full of ice. Put my lid on, and I'm gonna give it a good shake. Okay. So not only does that chill the tea down, but it also helps just mix everything up. I forgot to add the alcohol. So that's how you make a virgin Blackberry Mojito. To make a non-virgin Blackberry Mojito, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of white rum. Or 2, you know, be generous. Measuring's not my strong suit. I was an English major. So we're gonna mix it again. Pretend that it was just in there all along. Okay. Now we're gonna take the top off. We're not gonna strain it because we want to have like the mint and everything in there. So I am going to pour that right back into my glass, and I'm gonna overflow it because that's what I do. Oh. Ciaran, measuring. And then we're just gonna top it off with a few more raspberries and another little sprig of mint right here. And it's beautiful. Give it a try. Yes, and that is perfectly nice and refreshing for a hot day. If you'd like to make this yourself, hopefully you make less of a mess than I do, Our Blackberry Mojito tea is available on our website. The ingredients and the recipe for this cocktail will be in the description of this video. Go ahead, give it a try. Share your video, share your photos with us on social media. We'd love to see. We are at Plum Deluxe. Thank you all. Have a great summer. Just made a mess everywhere.